Traders, I'm looking at WTI at the moment. Okay, overextended. We've had a bit of price action movement here, uh, traded up and down through this red candle, but I'm actually looking for an opportunity to possibly get short. Let's have a look at this on the 1H and then we'll go down to a 15. I think there's room for this to roll over. Let's just have a look at it, 15-minute time frame. Yeah, see this price action. So now we have a break in structure, bearish here, BOS, let's call it that. Okay, I'm looking to get short position, probably go above here. Yeah, go for, well, that's a 1.7R. Go for this base down in here. That's a one target. I don't know if it'll continue down, but no, if you're looking for a second target, let's have a look at it on the 30. Yeah, we've got this imbalance. That could be a target for this to trade back down, looking to rebalance, possibly. So that's an idea. I would probably go into the imbalance with my target. So that's, we could round it off at a 2R, probably, something like that. Yeah, and, this looks for liquidity under these lows over here. So that's just an idea for WTI. You could get closer to this. You could come down to a 5-minute chart and look, follow this trend on the 5M. So at the moment, well, it trended up, and you want to see the break of structure. Look for this on the 5M. So we've got a shift in the trend here, bit of change of character right there, chalk. All right. So here's the thing: if you want to be a bit more pedantic about your entry point, so there's a change in character or change of character. Here is a thing. If you see a break below and retest, that's your opportunity to enter there. I would do that, and you could even tighten up your stop, possibly go above this bearish order block over here. All right, that's my take, and that'll give you 2.6R. All right, let's just call it at 2.3. I just go for the base of this low, guys. Look, that's an idea. Can I be wrong? Yeah, I can, but let's see how we go with that. All right, so I'm looking at looking at this lower high and lower low. All right, it's just starting to channel down. We could do that, something like that. I would love to hear your comments on this. Definitely leave a comment below. And yeah, with that, hope you have a great day, safe trading, and see you in the next one.